Here is a look at today's math assignment. The big idea is I understand that I will find different ways to represent math ideas using words, numbers, symbols, diagrams, and different kinds of tables, just like we have been focusing on. I can decompose numbers in multiple ways using appropriate symbols, and I can use a model to justify an expression. There are two slides for you to fill out. The first one here says, Alan and Dwayne would like help comparing two piles of pennies. The pennies are arranged and represented in the diagrams below. So there are two piles below. The first question, which pile has more pennies? How do you know? And the second question, with your team, write expressions, remember that is a number sentence, that represent each pile. So for pile 1, what would an expression be? And for pile 2, what would an expression be? Then write a comparison of these expressions showing if one is greater than the other or if they are the same. And the second slide, the diagrams at right represent piles of pennies again. So the first one, which pile has more pennies? Explain. So how do you know? The second one, write two different numerical expressions. So two different expressions, two different number sentences to represent the number of pennies in each pile. So you'll have four expressions here, two for each pile. And C, write a number comparison statement using the greater than, less than, or equal to symbol to show if the number of pennies in one pile is greater than the other or if they are the same.